friends, how are you? I'm so excited to meet you. Today we are going to Sharjah Reading Festival 2021. It was so awesome. So amazing. So many books, activities, and even more pictures to see and pictures to take. Oh wow. There were paintings and so amazing. So why not we just keep on continuing? So if you're new to our channel, please like and subscribe and share.
अभी हम लोगों ने प्लान किया है, समझ नहीं आ रहा था कहाँ जाएं, बट आई सॉ समथिंग ऑन फेसबुक और वहाँ पर कुछ इंटरटेनमेंट है बच्चों के लिए, सम रीडिंग फेस्टिवल. सो आई हैव टेकन आउट माय शर्ट और ये इस तरह से मेरी शर्ट है और साथ में मैंने ब्लैक स्कार्फ इसके साथ मैचिंग निकाला है बिकॉज आई हैव अ ब्लैक स्कर्ट आई विल वेयर विद इट. बच्चों के भी मैंने कपड़े निकाल लिए. Mahad is almost ready. Mahad, are you ready to go out?
Yes,
Mahad, you wore the same shirt. Why? I said you wear other one. Why did you wear this?
because I like this.
Okay, Mahad likes this shirt so much, and with this, Aisha and Umar went for grocery with Papa. Me and Mahad are at home waiting for them when they will come back. So we will go out. Okay, Mahad, you have.
This is with pant.
Oh, very nice. You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, Mahad. Mahad likes this shirt and the pant also with gallis. That's why he wore it. Mahad, you have drawn some boat for your art project. Where is that? Can you show me?
Okay.
So Mahad brought his boat and he has colored also. Some colors are not
It is
clean.
nice.
Mahad, you start trying to do neat coloring. Okay?
Okay.
So Mahad, show it properly. Hold it properly so everyone will see. Move back, little bit back. Yes. Okay, Mahad drawn very nice board and I will upload in Seesaw his art project. Okay, so see you guys next when we will start our journey for Sharjah Expo Center where we will enjoy some reading festival and see you guys soon. और ये हम लोग अब निकल रहे हैं. अब हम लोगों को निकलते निकलते भी काफ़ी लेट हो गया है. 6:30 हो चुके हैं और दिस इज़ द आउटसाइड ऑफ आवर बिल्डिंग एंड हेयर वी आर सिटिंग in our car.
Guys, we have been preparing for an hour. We all were preparing. Mahad, Umar, me, Papa, all the family members. We were all ready. We were so excited to reach there. So many activities we were going to see. So why not we continue? Mahad is also going to love that place.
तो हम यहाँ पर उतर चुके हैं एंड आतिफ वेंट टू फाइंड आउट द पार्किंग. Mahad is very excited. We have reached because it's Friday. That's why here it's too much crowd. So we are following Mahad. This is looking really nice. Decorations. For children. Very nice arrangements. Just love it from outside. Let's see from inside how is it.
So I hope you like those all the decorations and the preparations. And now we are going to see someone who is really special in this time. Guys, I hope you like these all the characters. This is a girl, and where are they going? These are a fairy and a boy and a Superman too. And now these are the paintings. There are a lot of, I don't know how many. It will take an hour to see, maybe 2 or 3 or 4. I don't know. But it's kind of really big. And I am just so sad. There are so many pictures to take too. I told you in my starting of the video. Hey, is there that autumn tree? Is that real? How does it get water and sunlight? Does the light reflect it? I'm confused. And now I am doing an activity in purple activity room. Wasn't that awesome? My understanding, I have no activity. But he got one activity. He was happy, wasn't he?
Inside we can see how fat is running.
Mahat is now going to mix it. I don't know what we will do.
Berries. Wow. And what is your favorite ice cream?
Yogurt.
I don't know this flavor. Chocolate.
Mahat?
Okay. Juice. Juicy ice